Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are making a quick and easy dessert. This one is ready in 5 minutes and it takes 3 ingredients, sorry. So it's super easy, super quick, and it tastes absolutely delicious. So let's show you guys how to make this quick and easy last minute dessert. Here we have 250 grams of frozen strawberries. They need to be frozen. The egg whites of 3 eggs, 70 grams of brown sugar, and a handful of chocolate chips to decorate. So our first step is to blend the strawberries. So we've blended it, and this is the consistency that we're looking for. So now we're going to empty its contents into a bowl. So now we're going to add the sugar to our strawberries. You can also use white sugar if you want to. It doesn't really need to be brown sugar. And we're also going to be adding the egg whites. And we're going to blend all of this really well. So now we're going to blend everything really well together until we get the stiff peaks of meringues. So as you can see, it has given stiff peaks. Now we're going to pour it into our serving containers or our serving molds, and we can, to get this nice shape, we just take the back of the spoon and we just gently do this. So this is what they look like, and for decoration we just sprinkled some chocolate chips on it. I think that the camera doesn't do justice to this color. It's a really nice, beautiful baby pink color. It looks so cold and refreshing, so I can't wait to taste it. So it's so easy to scoop. It's so fluffy. The taste is amazing because it's so, number one, the texture, it's so fluffy and it melts in your mouth. So it's amazing. And then you have you cannot taste the meringue, you cannot taste the sourness of the strawberries for people that find strawberries to be sour, and you get that crunchiness from the chocolate chips and that richness of the chocolate. So it really is nice. The one thing that you need to take into consideration is that it must be eaten immediately. So this is a great dessert for like people that want desserts but do not have enough time. So in 5 minutes it's ready. So I highly recommend trying this. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on social media so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, Discord, and TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.